Hello, good afternoon. Today I am making a kebsa. So the recipes are I have chicken here. I have black lemon, tomatoes, cloves, bay leaves, spices. The spices are black pepper, coriander powder, garlic powder, spices. Yeah, and in incoming, of course. Yeah, incoming. Um, so yeah, that's it. And so I'm just waiting to cook and potatoes. As you can see. Um, so there, um, carrots, onions, yeah, and bay leaves. You can see all there. So okay, guys, just waiting for 30 minutes to get cooked, and I'll mix with rice, and that will be it. So guys, like, comment, subscribe, click that bell to get notified, and thank you and have a great day.